Hello dear children of playgroup and parents. Today we are going to learn another letter formation, but we have already learned so many letters with the help of slanting line and sleeping line and also standing line. So today let's see which letter we are going to form. We have learnt letter with the slanting line, moving left to right down and then going up to the right. Again left to right down and going up to the right. So this is what letter V that we have formed. Now with the help of this we will form letter Y and then just make a standing line. So now which letter is this? Letter Y. Again to this V we make another standing line. So which letter? Letter Y we have learned. So this is what first you ask the child to make slanting line moving from left to right and then going up to the right, and then you can make a dot here. Ask the child to join these two lines. Standing line. So this is how they have formed letter Y. So once they are able to write this letter Y, okay, then only go to the four line. So once they have done moving left to the right and going up to the right and then one standing line. After doing this, then only you move to the four line. Once the child is confident, as I have been telling you. Now not going as we have formed V, we went to line number 3. We will not go to line number 3, only till line number 2. Make a small V like this and then one standing line, then again beginning you have to give dots for them to understand where they are supposed to draw the line, and then one standing line. So this way they learn to form letter Y. And now we'll do some activities, not with pen and copies and all, so that what they will do, they will learn. The first important thing that we have, parents, is our main concern is their eye and hand coordination. So what they see and what they write, that is very much important. So today we will do one activity. What is that activity is? You can take any of the items that you have at home. Suppose now I have got a ruler. I can use ruler. I can also use my ice cream stick to do some activity. Okay, what is that now? I'll ask them to form standing line. So they have formed standing line. Now form a sleeping line. So they'll form one sleeping line. Ask them again to form a letter with standing and sleeping line. Now ask them to make sleeping line first. Okay, sleeping line. Now make a standing line. So in between put one standing line. So we have already learned this letter. Which letter is this? T for tree. T for tiger. Then again what you can do? Tell them make a slanting line. Okay, moving from left to right, and then another slanting line like moving up to the right. This is letter V. So this is how, with the help of any of the things that you have, they can form letters. Now two sleeping line, one sleeping line, and one standing line. Where the child has to put the standing line? Right in front. So this has become letter F. So this way they can form letters. Now let's see how to build up the eye-hand coordination. Now we have problem that child doesn't write on the correct line. So this is what we can practice at home. Just write any letter that we have done already. Then ask the child to place on that line these sequence, whatever you have. You can take pulses or something like that. Since I have this, so I'm using it. So ask them to place on top of that line, on top of that line. So this way they will form, and then they are building their what? Eye-hand coordination. They are making letter A and putting it right on top of that lines that you have made, parents. Okay, so this way they will make, or what you can do is you can ask them the same color, so simultaneously they learn the colors also. So this is what they can make letter A. Okay, now, and also yesterday I have told you all, you can ask the child to write letter with the pencil on top of this letter itself. Like what? A. So tell them not to go out of this line and form A. Tell them to write in this line itself. Should not come out of the line, and then they form letter A. Isn't it? So L also. Here in the same line they write standing line and then sleeping line. They can also do one thing, they can trace something. Now suppose if I have this, as I told you, to make their hands motor skill strong, I take this now ice cream stick. So what they can do, they can just trace the line over this like this. Okay, so they can hold, see their fingers, they are using their fingers, it will become strong, and then with the pencil or with a thick pen, sketch pen, they can just make a line, they can trace. If not like this, tell them to hold, and then they make a line just to learn. And then they can also trace their hand. We used to do it when we were small, right? So like this, and they'll be happy to see their tracing of the palm. So this is what these type of activities will, they get interested in all these things, these type of activities. Now if I have one small fish, I can trace this, anything that you have at home, the cap of any of your bottle or pen, as I told you, just make them. This is a very good exercise for the concentration, and tell them to make eyes or something that you can make out of a cap of a bottle around. So this way. So today we have learned to form letter Y. You will see the book that you are provided from school, you will see the Y is written like this. So practice it, don't write in the book. And then after writing, freehand, the child writes, learns to write, has got confidence, and then move to up, and then one standing line. Then go up, then one standing line. Okay, so this is what we have learned to form letter. So this is what we have learned today, children, formation of letter Y. And I hope you will do the practice with the help of this standing line and two slanting lines. Till then, thank you, children.